Alright, it's snowing pretty bad outside. It's been blizzarding all. There's been basically a blizzard all night. That's what they call it. That's what they call it for blizzard conditions. This is basically the blizzard of 2015. Most like, most likely it's gonna be similar to the blizzard of 1888, except it isn't gonna go all the way up to the power lines. But I know it's gonna be a historical storm. But I know it's gonna be one that lives down in history. So far, there's been about, I'd say at least a foot. The mailbox cover looks like looks like it's at least a foot. Yeah, this looks like the blizzard of 2015. And they said it wasn't going to be that bad of a winter. And it was. They said it wasn't going to be that bad of a winter. Now it's becoming really bad outside. And yeah,